What does Black History Month mean to you as an individual?
Black History Month shows me about who I am, where I'm from, my ancestors, my diversity and my culture.
It shows me how what my black ancestors and other black people have gone through in the past. I just learn more and more and more. I think it's very good for my experience and for the others.
It makes me happy to see that the awareness that's being spread for the black people of our community or just around the world.
But for us, such as Matthew Boulton or BMET as a whole, as you all know, we promote equality, diversity and inclusion, regardless of where you come from, regardless of your race, your colour, your sex, your orientation. We include everybody. So the purpose of the session was not only to raise some awareness for Black history, but it was to be informative and to give them all the knowledge and understanding in what they can do to make BMET and their own communities a better place. In addition to that, it's bringing in all the different business people that have come from nothing and have made themselves highly successful. And it's showcasing to them that life can take you on any journey. This is Lola. So Lola is the founder of Love Shearer. She's based in Smethwick. And in 2015, she started a business because of her skin condition, and she realized that the products were not working for her skin. And as a result, she's now worth approximately 21.8 million. She's worth. All because an idea came from a skin condition she had.
Oh, I found the section interesting and exciting. I learned that it's not really good for someone to judge someone because of their skin color.
This is why BMET is such a good college. They encourage Black History Month, and all the people in my class that never knew about Black History Month, at least now they know a bit more. They've learned new information.
Spreads information about equality as a whole, and being equal in business could also just be more profitable for you and as a person.
The students went away to reflect about their own lives and what journey they're going to take next. And by using this a lesson and Pat's speech about the journey that she went on, I'm hoping that the students' mindset will change, where they will become more curious, more inquisitive, will have a willingness to want to be adaptable to all the changes that's going on within the world, and ultimately understand that we as staff here at Matthew Boulton really do care, and we really do want them to be successful in whichever career they decide to take.
Even if you choose something to do now, and it's something you want to do, you should go ahead and do it. But don't think that it's going to be the only thing that you can do or will do in the future. When opportunities arise, you know, take advantage of them, because you don't know where they're going to lead.
I stand firm in the power and pride because. How would you finish that sentence?
Because I'm black.
Because I'm black, I accept that. Because you're here, because of your ancestors, I like that. Because you're confident.
My religion.
Your religion, okay.
I stand firm in power and pride because I'm proud to be black.
I stand firm in power and pride because I love my black community. I love all the black friends I have.
I'm black, and black means beautiful, and I'm beautiful. Everybody have the right to be independent in whatever they have to do. Don't let anybody belittle you. Just feel confident in yourself.